Elise, hi Bob. I'm curious, what do you usually eat in a day? Bob, hi Elise. Sure, I'd be happy to share. For breakfast, I usually have oatmeal with some fresh fruit, like berries or a banana, and a cup of coffee. I sometimes add a bit of honey or cinnamon for extra flavor. How about you? Elise, that sounds really healthy. I usually have a smoothie with spinach, banana, and some almond milk. Sometimes I add a bit of protein powder, chia seeds, and a spoonful of peanut butter. It keeps me full until lunch. Bob, smoothies are a great idea, especially when you are in a rush. Do you have a go-to recipe, or do you mix it up? Elise, I mix it up depending on what I have at home, but the spinach-banana combo is my favorite. Do you ever have something different for breakfast? Bob, occasionally, I make scrambled eggs with avocado on whole grain toast, especially on weekends when I have more time. What about you? Do you change it up on weekends? Elise, yes, on weekends I like to make pancakes or an omelette with lots of veggies. It's nice to have a leisurely breakfast. What do you usually have for lunch during the week? Bob, for lunch, I typically have a sandwich with turkey or ham, lots of lettuce, tomato, and a bit of mustard on whole grain bread. I also have a side of baby carrots or a small salad. What about you? Elise, that sounds good. I usually have a big salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, grilled chicken, and a light vinaigrette. Sometimes I add quinoa or chickpeas for extra protein. Bob, salads are a great way to get a variety of nutrients. Do you prepare your salads in advance, or do you make them fresh every day? Elise, I try to prep most of the ingredients on Sunday, so I just have to assemble the salad each day. It saves a lot of time. Do you pack your lunch or buy it? Bob, I usually pack my lunch. It's more convenient and healthier than eating out. Speaking of meals, do you have any snacks during the day? Elise, yes, I do. In the afternoon, I usually have some nuts or a piece of fruit, like an apple or a pear. Sometimes, if I need a bit more energy, I'll have a yogurt. How about you? Bob, I like to snack on yogurt or granola bars. Sometimes I'll have some mixed nuts as well. It's a good way to keep my energy levels up. What do you usually have for dinner? Elise, for dinner, I like to keep it simple with some grilled fish or chicken, a side of steamed or roasted vegetables, and sometimes some brown rice or quinoa. I also like making stir-fries with lots of colorful veggies. Do you cook often for dinner? Bob, yes, I enjoy cooking dinner. I often make pasta dishes with lots of vegetables and a lean protein like chicken or shrimp. Sometimes I make a big pot of soup or stew that lasts for a few days. Do you follow any specific diet? Elise, not really, but I try to eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. I avoid processed foods and sugary drinks as much as possible. What about you? Bob, I'm similar. I try to stick to whole foods and avoid too much sugar and refined carbs. I don't follow a specific diet, but I do try to eat mindfully and make sure I'm getting a good balance of nutrients. Do you ever treat yourself with dessert? Elise, yes, I do. I believe in moderation. I might have a small piece of dark chocolate or a few cookies. Sometimes I make a fruit salad with a bit of honey. What about you? Bob, I agree with moderation. I like having a small dessert, too. Maybe some ice cream or a slice of cake if there's a special occasion. do you have any favorite foods or cuisines? Elise, I love Italian food. Pasta, pizza, you name it. I also really enjoy Asian cuisines, especially Thai and Japanese. What about you? Bob, I love Italian food as well. I also enjoy Mexican food. Tacos, burritos, and guacamole are some of my favorites. Do you ever try to recreate dishes from restaurants at home? Elise, yes, I do. It's fun to experiment and try to make healthier versions of my favorite restaurant dishes. It's also a great way to learn new cooking techniques. Do you follow any food blogs or chefs for inspiration? Bob, I follow a few food bloggers and chefs on social media. They often share great recipes and tips. I also like watching cooking shows for inspiration. How about you? Elise, same here. I get a lot of ideas from food blogs and Instagram. It's amazing how creative some people are with their recipes. I also enjoy cooking shows, they're both entertaining and educational. Bob, it's always great to find new ideas and techniques. I think sharing food experiences and recipes with friends makes cooking even more enjoyable. Thanks for sharing your daily eating habits, Elise. I got some great new ideas. Elise, thank you too, Bob. It's been really interesting to hear about your eating habits. Let's do this again sometime. Bob, definitely. Have a great day, Elise. Elise, you too, Bob. This conversation definitely is helpful for your English practice. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.